Here we are, Orlando, Florida, Lead Jeunesse 2021 kickoff event for 2021. Are you ready?
Today we experienced Eric Worre. I mean, how incredible was he? He shared so much knowledge, and he definitely put in us and poured in us what it takes to go to that next level, to become a professional. And you and I both know that we have the opportunity to do that here at Jeunesse, and Lead was designed to do just that.
What a story. I am such a super fan of what this family has done and what you as leaders have done around the world. I don't know how many records you've broken, but it's got to be a lot of them. To go to the next phase, to be able to really step into the next phase, it's all about developing the best leader in you and then building thickness of leaders within your organization.
You gotta start with that dream, and you gotta start with that belief. You gotta start with that why, and you have everything right now that you need with this company called Jeunesse to work on yourself, to work on these dreams, and to realize it, because there's nothing like this business.